All right.
Yes. Time to start. What up, gang? I'm Rob Level. It's time to talk about some stuff that you probably need to hear. First, I want to thank you for watching. Let's go ahead and get into it. It took me a long time that was filled with a lot of trial and a lot of error to eventually learn how to manipulate my voice and make myself sound even halfway decent. But as soon as I did, I instantly started actually listening to my own songs on repeat. Because before I had found that voice, I hated my own music. Damn! Like, I couldn't stand to hear it, I couldn't show it to other people. I later found out, oh, that's completely common to not like your own voice. Every artist hates their voice at first, even a legendary artist. But then I learned the science behind why we don't like our own voices, which really made all the worries melt away, and it was like it completed a puzzle for me, right? I was like, oh, I'm done with this, right? Because we hate our own voices because, here's why, the vibrations that our vocal cords make in our throat when we talk, it resonates that vibration into our head, into our skull. Our skull kind of acts as like a sound chamber, right? So you feel and hear more bass, strength,
and manliness
when you speak, because it's happening in here, and then you hear it in your ears. But only you hear that because the vibrations are literally in your head, okay? Bruh. So to everyone else, or a microphone or a recorder picking up your voice, it doesn't hear those vibrations that you hear. So there's less bass. So when we hear our voice, we think it doesn't sound like us at all. It's a voice we haven't heard our entire life, okay? That's why you hate your voice. It's really that simple. You smart. So if you're struggling with hating your voice, realize that's completely normal and is everyone. It's for everyone. It's how it works, okay? You may hate your voice now, but you can develop it into a finely tuned instrument that you can use to build a massive fan base with your music, all right? But that's only gonna happen through a lot of practice and through being persistent. A lot. And chasing the dream and just really wanting to get better. And also it would help you find your voice faster if you knew the process that would help you find it in a day instead of in a matter of years. But luckily, because I've already felt the struggle myself for a long time, the Rap Voice Masterclass was the very first class I ever made for Smart Rap. All of the people were making how to rap guides. I said, F that. Anyone can teach that. Everybody thinks they know how to rap. Let me solve a real problem. Something that I've experienced that I know is a big problem. So I did, right? And to date, my Rap Voice Masterclass is my #1 highest selling course out of all 100 plus of my courses. And do you know why? It's because more people need it to overcome their intense fear than they really do for anything else, right? They'd be thinking, how can I ever gain fans if no one's gonna listen to my songs because they hate this voice? That fear goes away. It solves that problem, right? If you want to speed up the process and take the steps that tens of thousands of other artists just like you have taken, get your hands on my Rap Voice Masterclass. All right, get your hands on it ASAP. You'll find your voice literally, if not in the same day, within a couple days, if you're actually taking it seriously, all right? You're gonna love it. Thank me later, all right? Because it helps so many people. Look at the testimonials, all right? You go to smartrapper.com/rapvoice to check that out, or I'll put a link below this video, all right? I'm Rob Level. Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
Did I get my money straight? Fill my grammar plate. Am I underpaid, deserving more breaks? Guilty. Did I break it up, cut and case the cuffs? Am I better now, or because you in the dust? Guilty. Do I got a lot of regrets? Traded for the checks. Am I super stressed, thinking what's next? Guilty. Did I hit the lot, hit the mall, hit the shop, burn every single thing that I got? Guilty. Filthy.